number one earner on this channel is... Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany Bundles, and today's video is going to go over some ideas for high earning content on your channel. I talk to a lot of people, and one of the things that we talk about a lot, whenever I get questions on my website, whenever I do mentoring, even when I do business consultations, people always ask, hey, does YouTube really pay a lot of money? And a lot is, it's subjective. Everyone has a different idea of what a lot is, but I always say that you can make money from YouTube without a huge following base, and huge is subjective as well. Everyone has like a different definition of what huge is, but I have under 10,000 subscribers. I don't get thousands and thousands of views on every single video, but I have gotten paid good money while utilizing the YouTube platform. So I'm going to go over some video ideas that are really helpful in earning money through your content. And hopefully this helps you all as well. So if you're interested in this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed, and let's get right into the video. The first thing that I want to say though is please keep in mind that you want to look for videos that are not just necessarily trending, but are that are beneficial and specific to your audience. Once I got into the groove of my channel and I realized what I wanted to do on YouTube, I started to record business content, because initially, like, my first videos were like I did a tag, get to know me tag, and then I would do a lot of bag reviews. At that point, I really enjoyed collecting different bags, and I had just different bags that I wanted to explore with you all and show and give my opinion and rating and review on. And then I was like, you know what? I want to really transition to business type of footage. I started talking about my journey, and I did like behind the scenes when I was looking for a salon, when I found the salon, opening the salon, working in the salon, just a lot of different things. And I started then transitioning the channel to go over how I transitioned out of my salon and how I was able to continue to make mobile money, still in the hair industry, but not in the same fashion that I was in before. So yeah, the videos that I decided to create started to be more, like I said, business related. And so the first video that I created that made, or I would say the top video that I created, and I'm looking here because I'm looking at my analytics right now. I'm looking, at my computer. But the number one earner on this channel is business loan with no credit check. And for that video, I'm going to show you all proof as well. This video got 36,000 views, so 36,793 views to be exact. It had a watch time of 2,187.5 hours, at 978 subscribers from that video. The change in total subscribers. Okay, yeah, just making sure that that's what it meant. And then I earned this is an estimate, but $2,785.13. And how long was the video? The video was 14 minutes and 4 seconds. I literally recorded this video while I was driving somewhere. I don't even remember where, but I was driving and I was vlogging, well, not vlogging, but recording my video. And I talked about how you can get a business loan through PayPal with no business credit. And I explained the steps that I went through, because I did take advantage of it, and how seamless it was for me to obtain funds through PayPal, how the payback process worked, and things like that. And so when people ask, can you make money on YouTube without a huge following? The answer is yes. There are people that I know personally that have more subscribers than me, and they even have higher views on some of the videos, but they did not get paid as much on certain videos. YouTube is really kind of, I don't want to say tricky, but in my opinion, it is kind of tricky with how they measure certain metrics, you know, because you can't look at YouTube like, hey, if I get X amount of views, this is the amount that I'm guaranteed to make, because it doesn't work that way. You can't look at YouTube and say, hey, if I get X amount of subscribers, I'm going to make this amount, because it doesn't work that way either. That's why a lot of times when you go on YouTube and you see people creating videos going over estimates of how much people make, a lot of times you'll see those people under the comments saying that's false. Like, this is not true at all. I don't make this amount. I've made this amount. I've made way over this amount, because it's so hard to really gauge. You can have a smaller channel and still make good money. And so I wanted to give you all that encouragement. If you've been considering starting your channel, go ahead and do it. But you want to make sure that you're targeting something that a lot of people can benefit from. And what I've noticed on my channel is when I talk about things that other people can partake in, that I've experienced, that will help my audience. So again, I was making a lot of business content, so I was attracting a lot of entrepreneurs and, you know, just people that were interested in business. And so if I'm explaining how to get business funding, which a lot of people are interested in, how to get money for their business, with no credit check on top of that's the icing on the cake. And then I'm explaining my experience, and then I'm also explaining how you can get the same, or how you can apply for the same offer that I took advantage of. People are going to be interested in that. I didn't have a decked out thumbnail. I didn't hire anyone to create my thumbnail or anything like that. I literally I don't even know if I created it on Canva, but I'm going to show you what the thumbnail looks like, and I'm going to show you the analytics of the video, because again, I want to let you all know that it doesn't, when you create videos, it doesn't have to, you don't have to have this huge production, is what I'm trying to say. You definitely want to have a good thumbnail. You definitely want to have, you know, a camera where people can see you. It's not fuzzy. It's a good quality. But there are so many people that are intimidated from coming on YouTube, because they feel like they have to have all of this stuff. And don't get me wrong, you know, investing in your channel, getting new equipment, even investing in thumbnails and edits, that can definitely help your channel grow. But you can still make money right where you're at, using your phone while you're driving, without custom thumbnails or anything like that. So let me show you all. Again, I'm just going to show you the proof. The video that I made the most money with was business loan with no credit check, estimated revenue. You can see all of the information here. I made most of the money towards the beginning of when I published the video, and then you can also see some spikes throughout. Also, something to take into consideration is people tend to, you can kind of see like a pattern of when people are looking for this specific type of video, or it may come up in their recommendations based on what they Googled earlier. So if people are looking for business loans with no credit check, this video, it has a higher chance of popping up because of the title and what I'm talking about. So it looks like around like this portion in August 2020, also like around August 2022, there was a spike. So you can kind of gauge as to when people are Googling certain things. There's other websites that you can go to too that can help you gauge and figure out if you want to create more content similar to you know, the content that you are analyzing around certain times, so that you can have the best chance of the video doing great with the views, and not just great with the views, but also great with your revenue. Okay, I'm going to show you another example of a video that I uploaded that made not 2,000, but it made over $1,000. All right, so let me go back. Did I show you? I want to show you the thumbnail too. Did I show you the thumbnail? I don't think I did. Hold on, let me show you the thumbnail. As you can see that thumbnail right there, and you can see the time, 14 minutes and 4 seconds. All right, so let's go to the second one. So again, on the same business type of topic, I do want to say this right here before I forget. It's important that you title your videos correctly. In the beginning, when I first started YouTube, I struggled with titling my videos correctly. And, you know, your thumbnail is important because, you know, that's what's going to attract people to your video, or turn them off from clicking on the video. But also your titles are very important, because if someone is searching certain things on Google, like Google is, YouTube is, I don't want to say it is YouTube, but Google, whenever we get paid, content creators, we get paid through Google AdSense. So they're connected. And so when you are creating your titles, think about what people will be typing in the Google search engine. That really helped. So the second video, I put Amazon business account perks, conveniences, and more. And so there are lots of people that are interested in Amazon business as well. Again, I said in the beginning of this video, I was targeting business owners. I wanted to share my experience with certain business services. I also wanted to do different highlights on services that I was interested in, even if I hadn't tried them at that point. And so I talk about on the video or in the video, like a different highlights of certain, like for example, the Amazon business accounts, you know, and I would talk about how you could find the information. It's similar. It's like an overview. I would do overviews on certain business accounts or certain business services that are available. And so I got on that video 26,045 views. The watch time was 1,831.6 hours. I gained 213 subscribers from it. And the estimated revenue is $1,372.32. And the watch duration was like 4 minutes and 13 seconds, which is higher than the last video that I just showed you all that I earned more money from. So I'm going to show you all. This thumbnail wasn't anything special either, but I believe that the title name stuck out. And so when people were researching Amazon business or business accounts or anything like that, I had a greater chance of my video popping up based on the title that I created for it. So let me show you all. So this is my second video, and this is the thumbnail. It took 11 minutes and 54 seconds for that video, and here are all the stats. Now, I would say if you are looking to earn revenue, I went over it's important to title your videos correctly, but you want to look for, like I said a minute ago, you want to think about different video ideas that's specific to the bulk of your audience. Like at this point, I have incorporated so many different things in my channel. I do business content, I do hair content, I do nail reviews and updates, I do some hauls, vlogs. So there's a lot of different things that I'm doing on the channel at this point. But I still have a good bulk of my initial subscriber base who are entrepreneurs. So when I do business videos, I notice that I get paid more for business videos, business content. So when you are looking at high earning content, take a look and go back. I would strongly recommend going back to what your initial base for your channel was. Now, I did say that I initially started doing bag reviews, but that's not what the majority of my subscribers came for. I gained some subscribers, but I didn't get to over 1,000 threshold until I started incorporating business content. So that told me that a lot of people that were on my channel were there for business, particularly hair business. And then I transitioned to talking about business in general because I didn't want to be just like in a specific box. So go back and think about what your channel subscribers initially came for, the majority of them, and figure out what they would want to know about, because people are going to watch entertainment videos. But I found for my channel, because I did start, talking about business a lot, people came because they wanted to learn. People came because they wanted resources. So if you create content where you're giving people resources, where they're able to learn about a new option or a feature or product, they're able to gain something from watching your content, those are the type of videos that earn the most, in my opinion, from my experience. Those are the ones that have earned the most for me. The third video is how to add products to your Shopify website. So again, another businessy type of video. And I created that video and it took me 8 minutes and 11 seconds, but I made $710.85 from that video. Now, I did get over 19,000 views. I had 856.7 watch hours. I gained 149 subscribers, and my estimated revenue was $710.85. My thumbnail was not super special or anything like that, just a screenshot from my phone of me adding products to Shopify, going step by step. Again, I'm targeting my initial audience, and then I'm also showing how. So how-to videos where you're explaining how to do something for your business, how to gain a business loan without a credit check, how to do your Amazon business account. When you're talking about how to, and you're relating that back to your initial audience, that is going to help in earning more revenue for your business, or excuse me, earning more revenue for your channel, because people are going to most likely sit through those ads more and be more intentional about watching the video in its entirety so that they don't miss out anything. When you're creating content and you want to earn revenue from it, like you're looking at, okay, how can I strategically earn more money this particular month? Add some videos in where people are going to it's going to be in their best interest to listen to every word that you're saying, pretty much. There are some videos that I watch because I'm wanting to get something down pat, that I literally stop the video, I rewind it, I stop it, I may take a note, I stop it, I may take a screenshot because I don't want to lose the part that I was on. But those are the type of videos that you may, that get paid. I don't want to say well for everyone, but those are the type of videos that are capturing a lot of people's attention. And those are the type of videos that sometimes your CPM will go up for, and you'll get paid a higher amount based on the people that are watching your videos. And so it's like I said, it's kind of tricky to pinpoint exactly all of the metrics and like know for sure how you're gonna, how much you're going to get paid just based on views or based on watch time, because it all factors. You have to factor into your CPM as well. So but those are some good strategies in my opinion on earning more revenue for your channel. So again, basically just go back to what your initial audience came for, create how-to videos. Explain in those videos, if you've used those products and services, how they have impacted you, how it worked out. Give a review in the video. Give step-by-step instructions. If you're not giving step-by-step instructions, then explain the instructions to the best of your ability. Talk about how they can find this information if they want to go back and do the research on their own. So how-to videos are going to be very great if you're looking at earning revenue for your channel. I hope this video helped. I hope that it also gave you all some motivation if you are a smaller YouTube channel and you're like, dang, am I going to be able to make money? Yes, you still can make money, pretty good money off videos. Your videos don't have to be super, super long for you to make thousands of dollars off of that single video. And if you continue to stick with YouTube and make more videos, just think about it. I don't have 2 videos where I made $2,000, but I have over 1,000 videos on this channel. So you figure if you make a video and it makes over 2,000, then you do another video and it makes 1,000. You do a couple more videos and those videos make 500. And then you do. But I'm just saying, YouTube is still a great way to generate revenue, doing what it is you like doing and sharing the information that you know with others. So I hope this video helped. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Did I show you all the stats on this video? I'm not sure if I did or not. Let me quickly do that. I'm not sure if I showed you this, but this is the thumbnail and here are all the stats for this video. I do want to thank you all for watching. I want you to subscribe if you enjoyed this content. Like I mentioned in this video, I do talk about a lot of things on this channel. I do still bring business content. I'm still very much an entrepreneur. I enjoy doing that. I do have a business podcast as well at Brittany Bundles. The link is down below if you want to tune in there too. But this channel is a fun channel. We do vlogs. I do hair updates, nail updates. I do taste tests. I'm just here with you all. We're like a family over here. So be sure to stick around. I will be having more business content coming soon. Again, thanks for watching and I will see you on the next video. Bye.